There we go. There we go. There's that happy doggy. I think the other happy doggy got in a cat food. There she comes. There she is.
You should put that on YouTube.
Yeah, I could.
Boy, the babies are good. Girl.
Give her one right in the ear, Angel. Give her a nice, juicy one right in the ear.
Get her, Angel, get her. Get her. Get her. Nice show to watch. Get her, Angel, get her!
We're gonna get arrested for dog fighting. What a bloody spectacle.
Get her, Angel, get her! Yeah!
Just a terrible massacre. Terrible, terrible.
Should we do fights over? No, we say fights over.
What?
Hey!
No, let him get the energy out.
Get her, Angel, get her! Tear her into pieces!
Let Angel have some fun while she still can. Because it won't be long. The other one's going to take over.
Yeah. Get her, Angel. Destroy her. Oh, but yes, you get her. Bless you. Bless you.
Oh, thought it was over. Guess not.
Get her. She moved. Okay, I think it's
Where'd
done
they go?
now.
Where'd they go? Where'd they go?
Okay, let's just pause it now.
Think so?
Yeah, this has been 3 minutes.